All right. Now the next part is cloud services model. What are they? I'm going to explain each of them in very detail and what is the main function of it, why they are used, and like what kind of stuff is in there. Uh, Talking about the three models, they are infrastructure as a code, PaaS, platform as a service, then it's SaaS, software as a service. I just want you guys to think for 1 minute. I'm gonna take a pause. You have to think with what are these models and what do you think why they are used. Alright, I guess this time was enough for you guys. Alright everyone, let's get to one of the most important concepts in cloud computing. There are three types of cloud models as I told you: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These are like three different level of controls and convenience that the cloud offers. Depending on your needs, let's break each one down, not just with definitions but with examples and real life analogies so you never ever forget them. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. This is the most basic building block. You rent infrastructure like virtual machines, software, and networks from a provider like AWS, the most common example. AWS EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud. I told you earlier this is a virtual machine. The name of the virtual machine in AWS is EC2 instance. You have to create. I'm going to tell you in upcoming lessons how you can create it, how you can upload it, and all that stuff. You can get virtual server and you are in charge of installing the operating system, setting up your environment, and managing it all. Let's make this simple with real life analogies. It's like renting an empty house. The house infrastructure is provided to you, but you decide how to furnish it. What furniture to bring it on, how to decorate it, how to cook, everything is under your control. So, infrastructure as a service is ideal for the people who want full control: developers, system admins, dev teams, they want to customize everything. Next part is sorry, platform as a service. Here the cloud provider gives you not just the infrastructure but also the platform you need to build and deploy applications. Example: AWS Elastic Beanstalk or Google App Engine. Alright, you can upload your code and the platform takes care of everything else: server provisioning, load balancing, scaling, patching, analogies. Think of it like renting a fully furnished apartment. You move in, everything ready. You don't have to worry about fixing the plumbing or installing furniture. Just focus on the living. In the same way, developers using PaaS focus on writing code and building features, not on the infrastructure headaches, and write down at the end the main model. It's SaaS, software as a service. This is what most of us every day we use it without realizing it. Here you complete a software solution that is hosted and maintained by someone else, and all you need is an internet connection and a browser. Example: Gmail, Google Docs, Zoom, Microsoft Office 365, and Canva. Think of SaaS using like going to a restaurant. You don't cook the food, you don't clean the kitchen, you just sit down and enjoy your meal. SaaS gives users the most convenient, no installation, no update, no maintenance. So now they quickly compare all the three: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. IaaS gives you the most control but the most responsibility. PaaS balances control and is great for developers. SaaS gives you speed, simplicity, great for the end users. Now, the final thought: why it is important. Because whether you are building your own app, working in a company, or launching a startup, understanding these models helps you to choose the right tools and avoid wasting time and money. You don't always need to build everything from the scratch. Sometimes SaaS is enough, other times you need the customization of IaaS or the developer friendly approach of PaaS. That's the beauty of the cloud, it gives you choices. Now take 10 seconds and think. Have you used any SaaS model? Tool, maybe Canva, maybe Google Docs, maybe Spotify. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you're already been using the cloud. Let's continue.